Hey guys, so I had this white cup that was just white. I had prepped it and it was already white, so I just did one layer of epoxy and I had it just sitting around, so I thought let me finish this. So just adding some more clear Artistry Art and Tumbler epoxy. Then I let it kind of self-level and I torched it just to get any little bubbles out. Then just going in with some alcohol ink. This is just a really cheap set that I found on Amazon. Nothing special about it. And I was originally trying to do more of like just an alcohol ink look on this cup. And you'll see I quickly went overboard and decided to go a different direction. But so I used some purple, some pink, blue, just kind of putting it wherever, just letting it kind of fall into the wet epoxy. And then this hot pink, which on its own I think is kind of ugly, but blending with the other colors looks really cool. Then just taking the alcohol ink like air puff thing, just to kind of move things around and give it a little more texture to it. Then using my embossing gun just to kind of move things around a little bit more. Then this is where I thought I just messed this whole cup up. I used some metallic alcohol ink and I did not like how it looked just directly on the cup. It just kind of fell flat. So I tried adding some to the epoxy. I did not like that either. But what I found was that when you put the colors on top of the metallic, it kind of spreads it out and does give it a cool look. So I ended up doing that on the whole cup, just kind of going in with the metallic and then more color on top. And I just thought, why not keep going and see if we can make something out of this cup. So that's what it was looking like, and I was like, you know what? That looks like a galaxy. Let's go with galaxy. That's what it is now. So with the galaxy, I wanted this really pretty white glitter. This is from my Colorflex beach collection. It's called Whitecap, and this is the chunky mix. So just kind of adding that in little random spots where I thought it would look good. Just kind of lighter little areas, or, you know, just here and there. Then once that was dry, I went in with another layer of the Artistry Epoxy. Then taking the rest of the epoxy, adding some of my wave white from my wave kit, just to add some like kind of cloudy, Milky Way looking spots on my galaxy cup. So just adding that here and there, just wherever I felt it would look good on the cup. And I think I did one more layer of epoxy after this one, and then the cup was done. I think it turned out really cool. There's just so much going on, so much to look at, all these little cool color spots and glitter and sparkle. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.